Subscribe to KSY Creations and activate the bell icon to get regular notifications of the videos. Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. You are watching KSY Creations. In the last video, we saw how to make a buffing tool. Today in this video, we'll see at what extent it will give the satisfaction. I will use this on my vehicle and I will see whether it's useful or not. I am using Motomax polish. I will apply this with help of a sponge. I will take this machine and put some polish on this also and start rubbing the plastic parts. After polishing, this part became more lustrous. Friends, I can surely say that there is a lots of difference before the polishing and after the polishing. This buffer is working perfectly. If you like this video, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Signing off, Sandeep.